let me take you. I'm gonna pick you up. No. He needs to scratch or he needs to punch. That's what he does best. We don't talk. He just wanna fight. I'm just speaking my mind, son. I'm just telling you exactly how it is. Okay. Let me get it out. Look. Okay. I know. You want to sit on Daddy's lap right here?
No.